Hi. Nature. Actually, I'm going to sit up here. Nature, nature, nature. That is the most healing force that we have. And it's free. I'm not saying that you have access to this type of environment all the time. But even to just to touch a tree, a grass, a beach, some rocks, soil, to walk barefoot in Mother Nature, to be around animals, to look up at the sky, especially at sunset and sunrise, or the starry sky at night. And if you're not used to meditating, well, it's a great way to start in nature. It will give you this boost of that loving, grounding, healing energy from Mother Earth. And it will help your mind to be calm and still. So it will recharge your batteries on so many levels, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Our bodies are part of Mother Nature. It's one of the most healing things we can do. Spend time in nature.